Welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for specialist automotive display repairs and parts. In today's repair service showcase, we're taking a closer look at the display repair service for the BMW F45 Activ Tourer 6.5-inch central infotainment display, better known as CID. If your unit is experiencing issues such as black spots or marks across the screen, discoloration, scratches or cracks, a screen that turns fully black or white, or missing sections of the display. Here's an example of a faulty screen. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in store, or scheduled as a while you wait appointment. And now, following a complete repair, the results are crystal clear. The screen is fully restored, responsive, accurate, and operating just as it should. Cluster Repairs UK have been a trusted name since 1986. With 2 UK locations and award-winning customer service, you can be confident you've chosen a premium service you can rely on. At Cluster Repairs UK, we provide a full display repair backed by a lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping with your repair soon.